My friend, RSI divergence is a powerful concept. But this is also where many traders lose money. Because they see divergence, and they didn't see the entry clearly. Let me show you how to actually use it properly on XAUUSD chart. My friend, look at this chart for a moment. One trader sees this RSI divergence. And he sells immediately. He is confident, he thinks the market will reverse. But the market doesn't care. Watch what happens. This is why traders lose using divergence. This is not wrong indicator. This is wrong timing. Divergence is a warning, not an entry. So how to use it properly? Today I will show you how to actually take the trade using RSI divergence. Most important part of this video, I'll show you how I actually use divergence on entry. So stay focused. Simple explanation, use this analogy, very important. Let's think about something simple. Imagine price is like a runner. At first, the runner is strong, running fast. But after some time, the runner becomes tired. Even if he keeps moving forward. This is exactly what divergence shows. Price is making a new high. But RSI is making a lower high. This means momentum is getting weaker. Price is moving, but strength is fading. Why RSI divergence fails, most important part. Now this is where traders lose. They see divergence, and they sell immediately. But look what happens. Price continues up. This is not wrong indicator. This is wrong timing. Divergence is a warning, not an entry. So how to use it properly? Rule 1, always ask, where's the market? Uptrend? Downtrend? Or price consolidating? If the trend is strong, don't fight it. Rule 2, key level. Always remember to mark support and resistance levels under higher timeframe chart. Only take divergence near important levels. Examples. Resistance level. Support zones. Previous high or low. Now look again. Yes, divergence is there. But where is it happening? At resistance, now it makes sense. Rule 3, confirmation. Never enter just because of divergence. Wait for price confirmation. Examples. Structure break. Strong candle. Rejection. Divergence shows possibility. Price confirms reality. XAUUSD. Real divergence examples. If you use divergence alone, you are guessing. If you combine it with structure, you are trading with logic. Let's look at this together. 1. Price making higher high. 2. RSI lower high. 3. Price reverse at resistance. 4. Price breaks structure. Now this is a valid setup. This is where we enter, not before. So I combine the RSI divergence with structure, you will understand the market. You are trading with logic. Remember. First thing, always ask yourself. Where's the market going? The market is not against you. It just waits for you to be impatient. If you want to understand gold like this, step by step, watch the full course on my channel. I will see you in the next video.